Habits of self-made millionaires. Millionaires have forged their paths to wealth by cultivating a unique set of principles, practices, and mindsets. To better understand their journey to financial success, let us delve deeper into the habits that have played a pivotal role in shaping their lives. By examining these practices, we can gain valuable insights into the mindset of a self-made millionaire and apply them in our pursuit of personal and financial growth. Let's begin. Welcome to Braylen AV. If you haven't yet, please like and subscribe. Number 1. Write down goals. This powerful strategy not only helps them to maintain focus, but also serves as a constant reminder of the path towards achieving those goals. Writing them down encourages individuals to prioritize their aspirations and allocate resources effectively. This practice instills discipline and drives motivation, playing a significant role in the development of a robust growth mindset. Number 2. Read consistently. By embracing an eagerness to learn and constantly seeking improvement, these high achievers capitalize on their strengths and find solutions to overcome their weaknesses. Reading not only expands their horizons, but also equips them with the knowledge to identify opportunities and make informed decisions. This practice of seeking wisdom in written words enables self-made millionaires to develop crucial skills, such as critical thinking, creativity, and adaptability, that contribute to their success. Number 3. Be disciplined with spending. This not only allows them to accumulate wealth over time, but also helps them avoid falling into the trap of living paycheck to paycheck. By prioritizing their financial goals and regularly monitoring their expenditures, millionaires are able to make informed decisions that contribute to their financial stability. Additionally, a keen understanding of the distinction between needs and wants enables them to make sound judgments when it comes to allocating their resources efficiently. Number 4. Prioritize tasks and time management. This essential skill enables millionaires to focus on what truly matters, allowing them to efficiently allocate their resources and energy towards their goals. By continually refining their priorities and time management techniques, they can successfully navigate the complexities of business and personal life, staying ahead of competition. Implementing these habits in our own lives is vital to ultimately achieving personal growth and financial success. Number 5. Focus on self-improvement. Self-improvement, a significant characteristic found in self-made millionaires, plays a pivotal role in their success. They continuously invest time and resources, recognizing the importance of growth and learning in achieving goals. By cultivating good habits and refining their skills, self-made millionaires set themselves apart from others in their pursuit of wealth and accomplishment. This dynamic mindset, paired with unwavering determination, lays the foundation for their upward trajectory. Number 6. Exercise regularly. By incorporating physical activity into their daily routines, these successful individuals are not only promoting their overall well-being, but also nurturing the discipline and focus necessary for achieving their financial goals. Exercise has been scientifically proven to enhance cognitive function, reduce stress, and improve mood, all of which contribute to heightened productivity and better decision-making. Therefore, prioritizing exercise is not just about maintaining one's health, but it also plays a pivotal role in nurturing the mindset needed to become a self-made millionaire. Number 7. Dedication to their craft. Strong dedication to their craft is a hallmark trait among self-made millionaires. This unyielding commitment to excellence propels them to overcome obstacles and achieve their goals. By constantly pushing the boundaries of their own abilities, they create opportunities for growth that contribute to their continued success. In doing so, they exemplify the transformative power of grit and determination in the face of life's challenges. Number 8. Discipline. Consistent discipline helps ensure that their daily actions align with long-term goals, paving the way for financial prosperity. Ultimately, embracing discipline as a guiding principle empowers self-made millionaires to overcome obstacles and make significant strides in their personal and professional lives. Interested in starting a business to create wealth? Click the links in our description box below. Number 9. Wake up early. This enables millionaires to tackle challenges and seize opportunities, before others who choose to sleep in. By gaining a head start on the day, one can invest valuable time in self-improvement, strategic planning, and focused work. Consequently, embracing an early morning routine can be a game changer in one's journey to success and wealth creation. Number 10. Save and invest wisely and consistently. Developing a strong financial foundation is essential for long-term wealth and success. One of the most effective ways to achieve this stability is by cultivating the habit of saving and investing money wisely and consistently. Self-made millionaires often attribute their financial accomplishments to this simple yet powerful practice. By focusing on building a diverse investment portfolio and maintaining disciplined saving habits, individuals can unlock the potential for financial growth and secure a prosperous future. Number 11. Multiple sources of income. Diversifying one's financial portfolio by seeking multiple sources of income has long been recognized as a constant practice among self-made millionaires. This approach not only offers increased financial security, but also exponentially raises the odds of accumulating wealth. By leveraging a variety of income-generating ventures, they minimize the risk of financial setbacks, and lay the foundation for sustainable financial growth. Number 12. Help others succeed. This characteristic acts as a catalyst for their success, fostering a positive environment for growth and development. By prioritizing the well-being and achievements of those around them, these individuals demonstrate the power of collaboration, and the significance of shared accomplishments. The ability to uplift others serves as a cornerstone of their own prosperity and paves the way for lasting, meaningful relationships. Number 13. They don't follow the crowd. Contrary to popular belief, self-made millionaires often exhibit a tendency to deviate from the masses, making choices that may seem unconventional at first glance. Their refusal to simply follow the crowd enables them to create fresh perspectives and unique solutions to pressing problems. These individuals recognize that innovation and creativity are key components of success, as well as a deep understanding of market trends and human behavior. By trusting their instincts and focusing on their own ideas, self-made millionaires establish a firm foundation for their future prosperity. Number 14. Long-term success. Focusing on long-term success is a crucial habit commonly found among self-made millionaires. These forward-thinking professionals understand the importance of setting goals, and staying committed to the bigger picture. Consistently prioritizing their ambitions, they often make calculated decisions with the future in mind. Through dedication and vision, self-made millionaires exemplify the power of perseverance in the pursuit of lasting achievements. Number 15. Never give up. Never giving up is a critical habit commonly found in self-made millionaires. This tenacious mindset allows them to persevere through challenges and setbacks, driving them closer to their goals. Possessing such a mentality not only empowers them to face obstacles head-on, but also significantly increases their odds of success. As a powerful catalyst for achievement, this unyielding spirit should be cultivated in anyone aspiring to become a self-made millionaire. We recommend you watch these next 2 videos on wealth creating.